Hi Year 5, I'd like to draw your attention to slide 3, which we've had in our Google Slides for the last few weeks. And I want you to just take a moment to read through what is on the page here. I'd now like to take you to one of our slides to explain when we look at a task how we might begin to start an activity. One of the most important things to consider, or the first thing to consider, is to look up here at the question. This is the question that you are trying to answer by completing this activity. So for ULY Task 1, it is repeated, which means it's only for students who didn't complete it last week. If you completed it last week, you don't need to do it. So the question is, how can I effectively communicate my planning ideas with others to get feedback? That's what I'm working on in this learning task. If I'm successful in completing this task, I will have created an elevator pitch that was planned using a script that's 30 seconds to 1 minute long and communicates a clear message about my ideas for my multimodal text. The steps to do this are here. So it explains, create a 30-second to 1 minute speech called an elevator pitch connected to my planning ideas for how we express ourselves, summative, creating a multimodal text using media. So the keywords there are elevator pitch and how we express ourselves, summative. That's what it's connected to. So I've already done the planning prior. So for this task, the final part of the process is to actually record my elevator pitch and upload it to Seesaw. Before I do that, I might want to get some ideas. So I can click on this link here and it will take me to a video that shares some examples of what an elevator pitch can look like and sound like. When I'm ready to begin recording, I may choose to video straight onto Seesaw, or I might record it on another device and then add it to my Seesaw post. If I'm sharing work that requires a Google Doc that's in my Google folder that we see sometimes on these tasks, a reminder that when you go to share with others, click on your share button and just make sure that when you go to get the shareable link, you can see here, set it on anyone with the link can view this. Then when you share it in your Seesaw post, it will be ready for people to upload. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process for completing a task for distance learning. If you have any questions, of course, contact your class teacher for further clarification. Join our class meets in the morning or throughout the day so that you can ask questions, show your work to get some feedback, or to go through some of the learning that you need to have some further support with. Thank you.